Open Photoshop, then go to File, New, and put these details for your YouTube's thumbnail. All the details are mentioned. Now then go to Create. Now I'll go to File and Open because I want this page to be visible on my YouTube to get more attention of viewers. Now I'll copy paste it into the main page on which I'm working. So I'll paste it there, and now to change the size I'll check on show transform controls, then I'll increase the size a little bit, and then I'll uncheck the transform controls, then I'll click on text. Now I'll select the color of the text as required, then to change the size I'll select it as 100 points. Okay, then I'll insert my thumbnail title. That's how to insert pass and fail in Excel. I have made a video on that, and I'm making a thumbnail for that video. I'll rearrange the stuff by clicking the move command. I'll rearrange the text and the image on my thumbnail to make it more precise and attractive. Then I'll go to the background layer, unlock it, and I'll work on that background layer. I'll work on the gradient overlay. I'll select that, and now I'll change the colors to make it more attractive and visible to the viewers. I'll select this color, and then I'll click OK. It's looking fine, but to make it more clearer I'll change the color of the text. Then I'll select this text, click on the text so that the same color will be inserted on the text here written below. Now it's looking more fragile, so I'll go to the color gradient overlay again, and I'll make the background a bit darker so that the text would be more visible. That's how I can do it. I'll go to export, and this is how I did my thumbnail for YouTube. So thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more short videos like this.